Hello everybody, it's Mark and today we're going to be getting guys an update on one of the other Sargent door closers. This is the Sargent with that header bent arm. As you can see, they fixed the bend in the arm, and I adjusted the speeds to go a bit smoother. So see if you like them. And this door has problems closing all the way. And this door, if you push it all the way, it'll hold open on the floor. There you go. You can comment if you like that, if you like these speeds. If not, I'll be happy to adjust them. Here's the inside of the cover. Okay, focus. Here's the boy. Here's the back check valve and speed adjustments. And I'll show it off again. One more time, then that'll be it. So anyways, that will be it.